Still got 0 people in the chat, so what's up to nobody? Kind of feel like starting something new. So fuck it. Let's start something new. Wonder if y'all still can see the piano in the dark. I have a feeling I'm gonna break this stand. What are we gonna do this time? How about F major? I never make beats in major scales, so this is kind of cool. Still making a pop beat, Ariana Grande type beat. Let's try F major. So I was going from the 1 to the 3 to the 4 to the 2 to the 5 dominant 7 back to the 1. But I'm just arpeggiating the chords. Tempo going back to 165. That's where you get that pop, trap, bounce.
It's false. No way. Not this time. Pure fiction. It's a made-up tale. It never happened.
Kinda, I think. Need 2 more chords in there somewhere. Maybe go to the 6. Alright, let's try something. Just can't do them all at the same time, can I? Because I don't know how to fucking play music. This is some Nexus patch. Nexus 3, 1 foot in the rave. I mean, that's cool. Sounds alright. Let's do some chords underneath this. No plucked strings though. It says I got 19 views on Twitch from somewhere. I ain't seen 1 person in this bitch. Where did I get those 19 views from? I'm not watching myself. That's kind of nice. Oh, it didn't even record those fucking chords. Ain't that a bitch? Ain't that about a bitch? I need a 2 after that. I need a 2. Where the fuck would the 2 be? The 2 is not diminished. Might sound nice though. Yeah, that might actually sound nice, even though it's not supposed to be a diminished chord. I'm gonna use the 2 diminished. Diminished only happens with minor scales. Diminished only happens on the 2 and minor scales. That shit kind of sounds nice with this major scale. We're in the F major scale. Maybe sounds nice. I don't know. And then the 5. Dominant 7. Do a 4 instead. I'm probably not gonna keep that. It's fucked up. Every time I switch scenes on Twitch, it messes up my quantize settings. Let's make this strum a little bit. I don't like that last chord. Maybe I just leave it hanging there at the... Just copy those chords over. These are way too bright. It's another Nexus patch. There we go. I need something else there. No, that's the 2. That doesn't sound right. Okay, we'll just go to a 3 maybe. Unless the 5 sounds better. Nope, definitely not. Sure. Let's throw some arcade up in this bitch. Cheat code time. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my CPU like it always does when I use it in the machine. Let's try some bleeps and bloops. Robot fish. No. It's starting to sound like some fucking Muzak, elevator music shit. Throw a little movement on there by output. Make it sound kind of freaky. I guess y'all might want to see the screen, huh? This NPL narco shit might not be. Put a filter on there too. Reverb versus delay on this shit. RC24 hop. Hopefully this doesn't take up too much of the CPU. It doesn't look like it will. Can't tell if there's, yeah, there is reverb on here still, huh? So let's just add drums and be done with this shit. Pitched it down like 7 semitones. That shit ain't hitting, so we need to transient master up on this. arcade shit. I think it's kind of annoying. Oh, you know what? I think I might have pitched it up an octave, right? Yeah. That might sound a little bit better. Just added a little modifying note into the arcade. Mess with the sound right here. Hi-hats and shit. Put a filter on this clap right here. This one I need to shorten up because it's too long. One kick. It's bass time. I don't know if I want to use 808s or maybe the Native Instruments Rickenbacker. That shit might sound alright with it. I don't know. Let's try it out. Oh shit. Classic shit. Alright, anyway. This beat is starting to sound like shit. Yeah, I don't like this shit. It sounds like fucking elevator music. But oh well, I saved it.